Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you get proximity chat on Roblox. So guys, before starting with new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video without wasting more time. So just search here in the open a browser on your PC or on your phone and search for this roblox.com. Go to roblox.com. Once you are in the roblox.com, you have to uh, click on this gear icon here and now click on settings. Once you're in setting, click on privacy here. Click on privacy. You have to go to in privacy. Whether you are using a phone, you can open an app or as well. And now to get proximity chat, you just have to be here on microphone and camera input. Here you have to enable the just skip microphone permission from here by tapping on this toggle button. Just tap on it and to disable, now just tap on it to enable. And once you click on, now you have to click on this enable button to enable your proximity chat on Roblox. So hope you like it, but guys, and once you enable it, now you can open any game that supports microphone as communication. And now this in game, you just need to tap on the microphone icon and over avatar head. And once you click on it, you are ready to go with proximity chat in Roblox game. Hope you like it. And if you have doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Let me show you how can you enable it. Now, once you're in the game, to get proximity chat, you have to tap on this mic icon and up over avatar head. Click on it, and after clicking on it, you will start. You can now talk to anyone in a group in our low game and start proximity chat. So you can also do by you can also enable the proximity chat by click on this Roblox icon, and now here you have to click on this mic icon again, and after clicking on it you can get proximity chat. But fine, so hope you like it guys, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new on channel.